Hey, what's going on, team? Keith here, and today I want to show you the Military Skills Translator, why it's important, and how you can use this to basically use your experience from your current MOS, AFSC, or rating to find a job that is equivalent to that in the civilian world. Let's go. Okay, so when you get to the main site, you have service and military job. Service is self-explanatory. I'm going to click Air Force. Military job title. So what was your MOS, AFSC, or rating? I'm just going to use my old one, which is fuels or POL. So 2F071. Search. Now, as you can see, it pulls up 1,292 equivalent civilian jobs. And you can go through any of these and click on them. For example, I'll just click Area Logistics Manager. Now, here's a key thing to remember. As you are in the military, you're getting this experience, and we turn this experience into bullets, which are jargon for civilian language. So I would recommend using this site not only to apply for a job or give it a shot, right, on your way out, but also look at qualifications and see what these are, right? So you can take these qualifications and turn your military language into civilian language based off of what this says, because chances are pretty great that you are already qualified, either semi-qualified or very qualified on what the qualifications already are. But if you submit your resume to a company and you have all your EPR bullets that are jargon, they're going to have no idea what you're talking about. So study these qualifications. Okay, so back on the main screen, let's check out another one. Logistics Manager. Okay, so what will you do? This is kind of the same thing as qualifications, right? So look these over and find out how it translates to what you already do in the military. If you have the experience, that helps a lot, right? But having that degree is icing on the cake, and it's going to open a ton of doors for you. So I would highly recommend, while you are still active duty, try to get your degree knocked out. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply on employer site. Okay, so this is from Ecolab. They're looking for a logistics manager. Okay, where's the apply button? Here it is. So this almost always happens. So choose your resume and upload to your profile. So if you want to get one of these jobs and you've learned how to turn your qualifications into civilian language, right? The military jargon's been translated. And the next step is, well, how do you put that on a resume? And I found a really good resume site. I'm going to link that in the description below, a little bit about that right here. So once you have your professional resume, just sign up here and then, upload your resume and then follow up. So email them, follow up with them. And I think another thing that's important to talk about is that each job you apply for is probably going to require a different resume. One of the best things that you can learn how to do is write your own resume, right? And this goes back to, well, what are you good at? And if you're not good at something, but you want to do something else work-related, maybe it's in a different field or whatnot, you're going to have to get that experience somehow. All right, we're going to cap this video and just want to show you guys what this site is and how it works. Hopefully it helps you. If it does, leave a comment below. Don't forget to press the like button and hit subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.